All right, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna put when I first got it, when I was unboxing this, but this right here is the Alexander Wang sneakers that I bought from Neiman Marcus. And here they are. AW Puff Trainer, size 10. And here's what it looks like. So it's like a reverse box, you know what I'm saying? We got this, at first I thought it was a dust bag, but it's actually a tote that says Wang Body. Not too sure what Wang Body stands for, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. I'm not even gonna act like I know, but it says Wang Body, and this is like a performance workout sneaker, even though nobody's gonna fucking work out in these. So let's peel back, you know what I'm saying? You see the paper. Got the all over print. We're gonna peel this joint out. And then we have this sneaker. It's kind of like, it's almost like a Balenciaga sock trainer, but it's Alexander Wang. And when I first ordered these, I thought the top was gonna be like a neoprene, like that thick neoprene material, because it is a sneaker. It has to be durable, but it's actually leather, you know what I'm saying? So this is real soft leather, good quality. And for the price, man, like you got a lot of people out here, you know what I'm saying, buying Jordans, but it's like, in my opinion, I'm like, why not just buy some fashion sneakers? So right here, we got the upside down Adidas 30F119, whatever that means. Alexander Wang. Got a functional drawstring back here. Upside down Adidas sign. Alexander Wang. Oh yeah. I don't know, like, does this mean like AW, like Adidas Alexander Wang 003 S18? Like, does that mean like the season? I don't know. But then inside, very basic. I wish it had like Alexander Wang inside. Like, it does say Alexander Wang, but like, I don't know, like something like a logo or something. I don't know. But it's pretty dope. And this is the AW Puff Trainer. Same thing over here. And I should just give y'all a little on feet, man. Why not? Shit. So we got one cup, we got one uncup. A little bit of that. A little bit of that action. You know what I'm saying? It's the cup side. Shout out Alexander Wang right there. We're gonna give you the volume. Her talking. These are the Puff sneakers. Peace. Alright, and I think I might wear this with my outfit. You know what I'm saying? Got the hundreds button up, denim button up. This is really heavy, like this. And I got my Alexander Wang sneakers on. I think I might wear these today. Peace out.